In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your EBT card at Walmart self-checkout. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. You can do this process on any available Walmart self-checkout machine. All you have to do is go to one of the participating stores where self-checkout is available and start using it. When you proceed to the checkout, you will be able to select your EBT cash benefits or EBT card option in the other payment methods. So simply go through the process, go to the welcome screen, scan for all the items that you are going to buy, and finally select pay for items at the bottom right corner of the screen. When you get to this part where you have to select the payment method, where it tells you to insert cash, swipe the card, or the chip, all you have to do is click Other Payment Methods, and on the list you will see your EBT Cash Benefit card listed. Click on it, and after you select your EBT Cash Benefit card, you will have to input the credentials about the card or swipe it across the Walmart self-checkout machine. As long as you have the available funds inside of your EBT Cash Benefit card, and you select it from the list of other payments, you will be able to confirm your purchase in the self-checkout machine. I hope I was able to help you on how to use your EBT card at Walmart self-checkout. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.